Hey, this is Future Araka. I forgot to mention in the video that the links, to be exact, for the product and the music you'll be hearing in the video are down in the description. Alright, just had to say that real quick. Alright, peace out and enjoy the video. Alrighty. Hello. I'm not really too sure how to do a reviewing opening. Like, I've never really reviewed anything, but I'm just gonna get right into it. Today, we're reviewing the YOWU Cat ear headphones, the Hatsune Miku NX edition. So you see right here, big ass box. I did the best I could to fit it on screen, but yeah, I tried finding actual like reviews on these specific headphones and just other headphones in general by this company, this brand, and I could find absolutely dick. I mean, the very few reviews that I did find were just like, oh, look at the headphones, they feel so soft, they're so squishy, look how cute they are. Either that, or they didn't really talk about the specific, like the specs or anything. I know you need an app to do the EQ and the color stuff with the headphones, which I'm not going to be doing because I, you know, I'm using my phone to record. Yeah, on my other monitor, I have these specs. Well, let's see, can we find the specs? Probably not. Yeah, they don't really say anything. So I'll just list off the cool stuff that they say this. I'm just gonna open this. So, according to them, it's limited edition, only, oh, that was fucking weird. Only 10,000 have been made worldwide. Come on, box. Thank you. Try not to ruin the box, because it's a cool ass box and I don't want to ruin it. Oh, that's cool. Has little voodoo. I am not keeping that part. God, I wish I could zoom out more. Hold on, let me ignore the dusty as hell soundbar. No, this should work. Kinda. Alright. Come on, can you open any slower? Come on. God damn, this is tight. Fit. Sweet mother of golly Jesus. Make sure not to throw the box on my keyboard that's currently on my bed. I just realized my model's kind of in the way. Oh well. Ah, shit. Oh, it has stuff. Oh, I dropped something. I'll get to these in a minute. I need to figure out what the hell I dropped. Look at that. Comes with a cool carrying case. Alright, what the hell dropped? After sales, service, and guarantee. Okay. Yes, let me fill this out with all the Chinese that I speak. Just toss that. Alright, what we got first? We got this thing that says Hatsune Miku on it. Come on. Okay, that's what we love to see. That's what you love to see. Okay, that was a... Note to self, just slip it off next time. Oh, that's a neat little poster that's on the front of the box. User manual. I'll be reading that when I am working on the after recording stuff. like actually testing it, because I'm not testing it live. I'll be doing the testing this following week, and I'll have an update. It's not gonna be an update video. I'll just add it to the end of this video, or the, you know what I mean. All right, we got USB to Type C. I'm guessing this is to either charge it or just plug it directly into your computer. Either or. I'll just toss that to the side. Oh wait, hold on. This one might be to plug into your computer. All right, let me list off what this says here. So there's got 10,000 worldwide limited edition. Then Hatsune Miku exclusive voice. Yeah, we'll see about that. Collector's badge with unique number, so I'm guessing what that is. Magical light customization color / effects. Exclusive carrying case with foldable design. And Sound Mage TM sound system. Not many people know this, but I am an audiophile. And I'm really picky about... holy shit, it's a long cable. This is just big old... You plug this shit into your computer. Got volume controls and all that. Alright, throw that to the side. Let's check out this. Alright, where'd my screwdriver go? Since I can't find my knife, I gotta use a screwdriver to open stuff. Alright, check out this cool little holographic Miku pin. On the back, I am number 8,744. Nice. Alright, now for the pista de resistance. Let's just open this up. Got the strap for the bag. Like I said, don't know if I'll ever be using that. Finally. Damn it. Oh! Silica gel, my favorite. Let me just fucking eat that shit. Feels pretty nice, really protected on the inside there. Neat. Toss that. I will say these headphones, woo, they got some weight. They feel hella nice though. Hopefully they fit. Get off me. Pretty cool design. I wish they came in black instead of white, but that's just me. Hatsune Miku. It does have a microphone. I will be testing that too. Let's see. Can we turn this thing on? Does it have enough charge? Is this power button? No, not that. I don't know what that does. Oh my god, that I don't know if you probably didn't hear that, but that was Miku's voice. That was pretty cool. Hold on, I'm gonna put these on real quick. No, you can't see what I look like with these on. No one ever will. Alright, off the bat, they feel pretty... not too bad. I will say they do feel better than my current headset, which are these. League of Legends edition. I don't know, they're some kind of Legion headphones. I don't remember what the hell they're called. Yeah, these are pretty good. But I will say current headphones feel slightly better than my current headphones. Oh, hold on, my ear itches. Oh, it's changing color, guys. It's blue now. Well, you can't really see, but it's blue now. So what does this button do? Oh. Oh, it changes color. Oh, hold on, let me turn off my light. Should probably close my curtains too. I needed that extra lighting, man. Alright, that's the best I can do. Pink. Orange. Back to teal. This is pretty neat. What happens if I push? Alright, let me turn these back off. Hey, you're supposed to turn off. Come on. Alright, I'm not sure how I'm definitely have to figure out the settings for all that and all this. Let me turn these on and put them on my mic so you can hear it. Yeah. Alright. So, that's going to do it for the unboxing and all that. I am going to go test these. So, it'll just be a quick old snap of the fingers for y'all. Yeah. And we'll be back. Alrighty, so. Having used these headphones for about a week or so, I've come to the conclusion, and I'm going to be brutally honest. One, you're buying these mainly for the IP and to have Miku whisper sweet nothings in your ears while you game or listen to music or talk into anything else. The audio quality is okay at best. I mainly use audio DACs, so it sounds better for me, but if you just use these things straight up without a DAC or anything, it's just gonna be okay. That's about it. The pros about these headphones, they're comfy, they're cute, they a little bit heavy, but they don't hurt my ears like my other headset does. I think my other headset's like the Legion or something like that. They're pretty much my backup headset. And to be honest, those things sound the same as this headset does without audio DACs. Yeah. Alright headphones, cute. They're Miku. Obviously, you get a cool carrying case, you get a poster, you get... Yeah. Oh yeah. There... How do I explain this? You will have to download an app on your phone if you want to mess with the EQ or change the color of the light. But that's mainly only for your phone. As soon as you switch the colors, plug it into your PC, turn them off and turn them back on, they're gonna default back to blue, like this. Or teal, I guess. I've had them on purple before, and then turned it off, turned it back on, and they are back to teal. So, yeah. Another thing is their customer, the YOWU, however you want to pronounce it. Customer service is pretty bad. And I'm just gonna leave it at that. But yeah, link for the product will be in the description. Link for the music in this video will be in the description. Final verdict is... I'm just gonna say like 6.5 out of 10. Yeah, that's if these interest you, go ahead and get them. YOWU, whatever. They have other cool looking headphones like ReZero, other cat ear headphone stuff. Check them out if you want. If not, that's cool. Carry on with your own way, but yeah. Decent headphones, that's about it. Miku, and peace out.